Good morning, student.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
teacher.
Okay, today we will learn about sufficiency community. Here are some each class show something from the community. Your job is to match in with a class that show how it can be used. From example, banana are used to wrap foods. Okay, should I representative to give example. Number one.
Banana leaves are used to wrap dessert.
Okay, number two.
Just a half rotten at a temple.
Okay, good job. Here are example of how people in the community using widely this idea is part of a sufficiency community. Now let's learn what a sufficiency community really means. A sufficiency community is a group of people who is in smart and balanced way they join with they using from their own area they have is a church. There are three main there are three main idea. Moderation do not use too much, not too little. Listen stubbornness think before we act. Self-immunity be ready for problem and senses. Example includes making control from food waste, turning water into a pan chore. Now I want you to work with your partner. Think of one item in your community. How can it be used to help or save resources? Please write teaching example. The item food scrap. How to use it make control. What is the benefit? Watering water burn. Who would like to share their idea? Number one.
Cut empty bottle into plant pots.
Okay, number two.
Using bottom tap to make artificial flowers.
Okay, get idea. That is a perfect example of a sufficiency mindset. Now learn check what we learn with a quiz. I with asking you a quiz. Show me thumb up for to thumb down for four. Number one, sufficiency means spreading as much where we want. Two and four.
For
Okay. Number two, we can reduce plastic bottle in a sufficiency community. Two and four.
2.
Okay, we should always buy new things. Two and four.
For
Okay, answer for two and four. Can you apply the sufficiency economy philosophy?
yes.
Okay, well done. Remember, sufficiency start with small action, reusing thinking carefully, and helping each other. That's enough for today. See you next time.
Bye bye, teacher.
Thank you.